In this video, I'll show you how to update the privacy notice on the account sign-up form in WooCommerce. For example, at the top right corner, if I click on the account link, then select Sign Up tab, as you can see, I'll be presented with the privacy notice right here, just above the Register button. So if you're looking to update or customize this message, in this video, I'll show you where to find the setting. At first, make sure to log into your WordPress admin account. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, on the left side of the screen, hover on WooCommerce, then select Settings. On the settings page at the very top, click on the account and privacy tab. Now scroll a bit down, look for the registration privacy policy section. That's where you can edit the text. For this example, let me just add short heading. Let's add some space, then type privacy, information, then scroll all the way down, then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, go back to your website and try refreshing it. Once again, click on the account, then select sign up. And here's the updated text. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.